Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove your credit card in TikTok Shop. Once you're in your app, go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And from here, go to the right corner of your screen, these three lines, and click it. Click Balance. This page will show up and click this Live Rewards. Click Withdraw. Here you will see the payment method and click Manage. So here you will see Manage Payment Method, which you have your credit card link. So from here, you can remove your credit card payment here and just click Remove. And that's it. That's how easily remove your credit card in your TikTok shop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.